Hello friends, you can log on to primeaptacademy.com to access complete free video courses. Okay, so here there are 50 students in a class S1 to S50. Okay, so they have to be seated on 50 chairs such that S1 to S5 are seated together. We have to find the number of ways to do this. So S1 to S5, these are 5 students. Okay, 5 students. Okay, we can assume then to be of group G. Okay, we can assume that these are in group G. Okay, all right. So group G has students S1 to S5. So now there are remaining 45 students. Okay, so now we have to seat 45 students and G. Okay, G is also an entity. Okay. Now, if you look at it, in all, the number of students and number of chairs are equal because there are 50 students and 50 chairs. So that's not an issue for us. So there is no problem for us. So over here, each student will occupy one of the chairs. So 45 students and G. So how many entities there are? There are 46 entities. Okay, and each entity will occupy a position. So 46 entities have to be seated now on 46 places. That can be done in 46 factorial ways. Now within group G, there are 5 students. Within group G, they can rearrange themselves in 5 factorial ways. Okay, so the answer comes out to be 46 factorial times 5 factorial. Okay, and this is the correct answer. If you look at it, what we did as a recap was, we created a group of this. The remaining 45 students were there. We added group G to it. So in all, it became 46 students. Now 46 students have to be seated on 46 places, you can think of it. Okay, in fact group G will occupy 5 places together, but in all we'll consider it as 1. So there are 46 entities. Okay, they need to be seated on 46 places. That can happen in 46 factorial ways. Now within this group G, these 5 students can also rearrange among themselves. So these 5 students can rearrange in 5 factorial ways. So what we have done is we have seated these 46 entities, and within that we have rearranged the number of students in group G. Okay, so we get the answer as 46 factorial multiplied by 5 factorial. Okay, that is how we solve this question.